Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to rotate a layer easily in Photoshop. Let's begin the video. At first, open your project and select the layer you want to rotate in the Layers panel. Press Ctrl+T on Windows or Command+T on Mac to activate Pre-Transform. You will see a bounding box around the layer. Move your cursor near a corner handle and it will turn into a curved arrow. Click and drag to rotate the layer to your desired angle. Press Enter to apply the rotation. If you want to rotate in exact increments, hold the Shift while dragging it. So that's it. You have successfully rotated a layer in Photoshop. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more beginner Photoshop tips.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.